Hey folks, I'm just going to do a wee walking tour from the Mirador Strip to the Mirage Hotel, or Marisol, I'm not quite sure how it's pronounced, but this is where I'm staying, so I'm going to just show you. Now, this is the Mirador Strip. There's Bojangles. Now, this is early in the morning, so nothing's open yet, but I'm just doing a few wee videos, so let's see. Tonight, Friday, there's a comedy Elvis show. Tomorrow, Drag Queen. Sunday, Harbour. There's a Chinese restaurant. I've been in this one. I think it's actually quite good. Oh, it's closed. Oh, it's a shame. We opened on the 16th of July. I'm sure that's a really good one. There's Gigi's Bar. Victoria's. Restaurant, steakhouse, fresh fish, seafood and tapas. Down here's Dylan's Bar. Alright man, how's it going?
You get my good side on that.
Aye, you want to say hello to the viewers? What bar would you recommend?
Dylan's Bar.
Dylan's Bar, aye, definitely. Are you the owner?
Football?
I've booked a table for tonight. So cool. Are you alright being on the channel? Aye?
Yeah, of course I am,
cool.
yeah.
Cool man, thanks very much man.
I'm a movie star, you know.
Movie star? Have you? Aye. Thanks very much man.
See you later, mate.
See you later mate, take care. Nice guy. There's Taylor Sports Bar. I should say at the time of filming, it's Scotland versus Morocco, so tonight, so we've been there having a wee watch. Not a football fan, but you've got to support your team, your country, so we'll be doing that. So I'm just going to show you. There's a Mongolian restaurant. Saying about being on holiday, there's just tons of restaurants and bars. It's like, where do you go? You know, it's. So, one of my previous videos, I says me and Jacqueline like a wee Raffaella ice cream, and it's in this shop here that you'll get it. Wee supermarket down there, supermarket Lavina, and there's a rent-a-car and excursions there. But our hotel is up this way. Very hot day. Now the Marwise Hall, or Mary's Hall, I need to find that out. I'll keep meaning to ask somebody. The hotel, it's actually designed for disabled people. So it's ideal for Jacqueline, but she wasn't too keen on it because it's like 3-star, but it is good for disabled people. It's got a really good pool. I highly recommend it for that. In terms of accessibility, yes, it is really good. It's totally designed for disabled people, and I really like it, but there's a few things I don't like about it. You get like 2 big towels, and they've got to last you 2 days. 2 days. Jacqueline uses 3 towels a day. So to get more towels, it's €2.50. So to get more towels, it's €2.50 for each one. So I asked for 4. So, aye, it's not great. To be honest, I don't think we will be back again. Much prefer to stay somewhere else, like the Big Sur or something. Here's Mobility Solutions. I think you can get excursions here as well. But anyway, this is the Marwise Hall Hotel. It's got 24-hour access at the gate. It's quite a nice hotel. Well, anyway folks, that was the Mirador Strip to the Marwise Hall Hotel. Hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a wee short video. I just thought it'd be good to do a wee video like that. So, hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It would really help the channel out. And check out all my other videos. I've done a whole load of different places. I've done Salou, Benidorm, and on my other channel I did New York, San Francisco, Vegas, Switzerland, and a few Scottish ones. But this one, it's just going to be my Spanish channel, so hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much, and bye bye.